Have you been searching for the perfect video tools to help boost your YouTube channel, but can't decide between VidIQ and TubeBuddy? Well, don't worry, the AI age is here. I'm here to break down the features of both so that you can make an informed decision. Welcome to our channel and another exciting video, where we'll be breaking down the features of two of the most popular YouTube video tools, VidIQ and TubeBuddy. These exceptional tools provide a multitude of options to enhance and elevate your channel's performance. Both of these tools offer a variety of options to help give your channel a boost. However, the question remains, which one is the perfect fit for your specific needs and objectives? Join us as we delve into the intricacies of these tools, exploring their functionalities and benefits to help you make an informed decision that will maximize your channel's potential. During my YouTube journey, I learned the importance of having the right tools to grow my channel. Did you know that YouTube reigns supreme in the world of video, generating 30 times more engagement and revenue than any other social media platform? But here's the thing, just creating an awesome video isn't enough to make sure people actually see it. It's not as simple. There are two separate hurdles to overcome here: creating a killer video and then getting it in front of the right people. If you want your video marketing to succeed, you have to give it your all. It takes careful attention and effort, but it's worth it. So in this video, I'll be comparing two of the most popular YouTube tools out there, VidIQ and TubeBuddy, and helping you make a decision as to which one will give your channel a much-needed boost it needs. Let's get started. VidIQ and TubeBuddy have both earned their place as some of the most popular and widely used video tools available for YouTube creators. These powerful platforms offer a comprehensive set of features and functionalities that empower creators to fine-tune their content, optimize its reach to the intended audience, and closely monitor the progress and growth of their channel. With VidIQ and TubeBuddy, creators can conduct in-depth keyword research to discover the most relevant and trending topics for their videos. They can analyze video performance metrics, such as views, likes, and comments, to gain valuable insights into audience engagement and preferences. These tools also provide detailed analytics on channel growth, allowing creators to track subscriber count, view duration, and other important metrics. Moreover, VidIQ and TubeBuddy keep creators up to date with the latest trends and best practices in the YouTube community. They offer valuable recommendations and suggestions for improving video optimization, such as optimizing titles, tags, and descriptions for better search visibility. When it comes to the core features, both tools offer a wide range of options. From competitor analysis and video SEO to thumbnail customization and comment management, VidIQ and TubeBuddy provide a robust suite of options to support creators in their journey to YouTube success. With these tools at their disposal, creators can take their content to new heights, connect with their audience on a deeper level, and achieve their goals in the ever-evolving world of YouTube. VidIQ is an all-in-one suite of tools designed to empower content creators. With VidIQ, you can dive deep into keyword research and optimization score checks to ensure your content stands out. Gain valuable channel insights that help you understand how your content is performing and make data-driven decisions. But that's not all. VidIQ goes beyond the basics and offers a wide range of analytics reports. Dive into competitor comparison, explore audience demographics, and understand your traffic sources. The comprehensive suite of features includes keyword research and optimization tools, competitor analysis, and traffic sources analytics, among others. What's great about VidIQ is its flexible pricing plans. From the basic level to the boost package, there's a plan to fit your budget and needs. The basic plan is free, offering limited keyword and optimization research for one channel. Upgrade to the Pro plan for just $7.05 per month and unlock a wealth of features, including traffic sources analytics, competitor comparison, and audience demographics reports. For those seeking exclusive insights, the Boost package at $39 per month provides trending topics and discovery analytics, taking your content strategy to the next level. In addition to its feature-rich platform, VidIQ takes customer support seriously. Enjoy top-notch assistance with live chat support, FAQs, and tutorials. While VidIQ offers immense value, it's important to note that some users may find it expensive, particularly the agency package priced at $39 per month. However, considering the comprehensive suite of tools and the potential for growth, many creators find it to be a worthwhile investment. Experience the power of VidIQ and take your content to new heights. Sign up today and unlock the full potential of your channel. TubeBuddy, on the other hand, is an incredibly powerful and versatile tool designed to streamline your workflow and optimize your YouTube content. With its extensive array of features, including but not limited to bulk editing, post-scheduling, and video management tools, you can effortlessly handle and organize a large library of videos with utmost ease and efficiency. TubeBuddy goes above and beyond by offering a range of optimization tools that can significantly enhance the visibility and reach of your videos. Its built-in keyword tool empowers you to find the most relevant and high-performing keywords, while the optimization score checker ensures that your videos are fully optimized for maximum impact. When it comes to plans, TubeBuddy caters to the diverse needs of YouTube creators. The basic plan, priced at $4.05 per month, provides access to essential features like bulk editing and video management, giving you the foundation you need to get started. For those seeking more advanced optimization and analytics tools, the Legend plan, available at $29 per month, includes features like the powerful keyword research tool, enabling you to unlock even greater potential for success. While it's worth noting that TubeBuddy's customer support is commendable and responsive, it's important to acknowledge that VidIQ offers more comprehensive solutions in this aspect. However, with its extensive set of features, user-friendly interface, and exceptional performance, TubeBuddy remains a popular and trusted choice for YouTube creators who are dedicated to optimizing and streamlining their content creation process. Ultimately, both VidIQ and TubeBuddy are excellent tools to boost your YouTube channel. The choice between the two depends on your specific needs as a user. If you're seeking a comprehensive suite of analytics and optimization tools, VidIQ is the perfect fit for you. With this wide array of features and functionalities, it empowers creators to analyze their channel's performance and optimize content effectively. On the other hand, if you prioritize streamlined video editing and management tools, TubeBuddy takes the lead. Its user-friendly interface and efficient video editing capabilities make it a top choice for content creators looking for simplicity and convenience. Regardless of which tool you choose, both VidIQ and TubeBuddy offer substantial value to YouTube creators striving to grow their channels. They provide a range of features that cater to various needs and preferences, making them worthwhile options for any video marketer. It's crucial to conduct thorough research and compare the different features of both platforms to make an informed decision that aligns with your goals and requirements. So, if you're wondering about my preference as a YouTuber, I have to say that I'm absolutely loving VidIQ. It's become my secret weapon for optimizing my videos and growing my channel. The insights and analytics it provides are just next level, giving me a deeper understanding of my audience and how to improve my content. Seriously, it's a complete game changer. If you're looking to elevate your YouTube game to the next level, VidIQ is where it's at. With its powerful features and user-friendly interface, it empowers content creators like me to reach new heights of success. And the best part is you can try it out for free for 30 days by clicking on the link in the description below. So why wait? Give VidIQ a try and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel. Good luck with your YouTube journey and happy optimizing. I really hope this video has provided you with some incredible insights into the powerful features and benefits of VidIQ and TubeBuddy. If you found the content helpful and you're eager for more, I encourage you to take a moment and explore the suggested videos conveniently displayed on your screen. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I'd greatly appreciate hearing your valuable thoughts and feedback. Please don't hesitate to leave a comment below and share your experiences. Also, remember to stay up to date with all the latest updates by subscribing to my channel. Once again, thank you for your support, and I look forward to bringing you even more exciting and informative content in the future. I'll catch you in the next video.